Instagram Reels are all the rage these days and is helping so many Instagram accounts grow rapidly. Especially, it is helping small businesses to showcase their work and reach out to a wider audience. But if you're someone who's struggling with ideas related to what to put in Instagram Reels, then this video is for you, because today I'm going to share some really easy ideas that you can go for Instagram Reels and promote your business. Hi guys, I am Akanksha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. So by now you all must be knowing what Instagram Reels are and why they are becoming so important, because Instagram is definitely pushing the Reels much more as compared to the usual videos. So it is really important to take advantage of this new feature of Instagram. But for a small business and for someone who's running the whole business on their own, a single owner business, I know it can sometimes get difficult to work on Instagram Reels, because you already have a lot of work going on, and then you feel that what new ideas you can post on Instagram Reels, especially when people are posting such creative reels out there. But even if you cannot post a lot of creative reels, just start posting few reels, because I assure you they are going to help your Instagram account reach a much wider audience. And in today's video, I am going to share 5 ideas with you all that you can post on Instagram, and these are something that will help your business as well in a long term. And also these specific ideas that I will be discussing about do not need a lot of creativity going in, and I'll tell you everything in detail in the video further. But yes, these ideas can help you to get started with it, and once you get the hang of it, you can definitely start working on a lot of creative videos once you get comfortable with making the videos. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So the very first idea that I have for you is to share the product making or product behind the scenes with your audience through Instagram Reels. Now, before getting into the details of this, I would like to give you one quick suggestion, that if you're sharing product videos on your Instagram, and if that video is shorter than 30 seconds, or make sure you're posting that through the Reels section rather than the usual video, because Instagram is focusing on pushing out Reels more because it's a new feature and they want to promote it. So posting just the product videos, if they're shorter than 30 seconds in Reels, will give you more benefits as compared to posting it just as a usual video post. And now coming to the details of the product behind the scenes. So for this is one of the easiest thing that you can do, because you just need to set up your camera when you're working, either in your office or your manufacturing plant or wherever your products get made or you make them yourself. Just set up your camera, put it on time lapse and continue working. Before getting into further details, I'll just quickly show you one Instagram reel in which I showed the behind the scenes of product making on my Instagram account.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So as you can see, I shared an Instagram reel in which I showed how I worked on the scrapbook that I was making. You can make a very simpler version of this, that is the time-lapse version. It is going to help you in a way that it is not going to hinder your work, or you do not have to go overboard in editing and everything, because it's just a time-lapse video. You just work the way you work. The second advantage that it has is that it helps people know how you make a particular product. They get to know how, if they will buy from you, how their products will be made, how much time and efforts you put in to make their products, and it is going to really add on to the worth of your products, because people will get to know that how much time and effort is going in making the products that they buy from you. The second very easy idea is to share product teasers. Yes, you heard it right. So whenever you have a new product launch coming, or even if it's like if you are in a custom making business, custom order business, you will be making the same product in different variations. So whenever you make a new product, so before posting the product or posting the new launch, show glimpses of those through Instagram Reels. And it is very easy to do so, and I'll attach a video now to show you how I did that. So I simply shot some glimpses of my scrapbook. I made sure that it does not reveal the full scrapbook, but sharing product teasers has a lot of advantages. A, it is going to generate excitement among your existing audience related to the new product launch. B, it is going to help you grab attention from the new audience as well, because they will be really intrigued in finding out what you are working on and what is your product launch all about. So make sure whenever you have a new product coming up, especially a big launch coming up, you shoot smaller videos and you do not reveal the full products, but just give a glimpse of those products in your Instagram Reels. The third idea is yet a simple idea and is similar to the product behind the scenes. It is the packaging behind the scenes. Again, in this idea also, you just have to switch your camera in time-lapse mode and just pack the products as you do. And I'll attach a video on how I did this in this video now. So again, this is not going to hinder your work a lot, because you have just set the camera on time lapse and you have to package it the way you want to, the way you do it usually. Now this is going to help the people know, especially new potential customers, know how they will receive their products when they order it from you. Packaging can actually make or break any business, especially small businesses. So make sure you're packaging your products right. And if you want me to discuss more about packaging and branding in detail, then do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to make a video on that as well. But yes, how you package your products really helps in creating an impression in front of your consumers, customers, clients. And if you're any handmade business, then I am sure you must be focusing on how to package, you put custom notes and everything. So shoot that, because it will help your potential customers know that it's not just the product that they are getting, but it's the packaging, the beautiful packaging that they'll also receive along with the product, and that is just an added value to the amount that they will be spending if they buy from you. The fourth idea that I have for you is to share tips and tricks. Now, in whatever industry you are in, you must be having expertise of something in that industry. Maybe it's marketing, maybe it's product making, maybe it's about a particular technique like making dream catchers, or maybe a mixed media or anything of that sort, right? So what you can do is share tips and tricks about that particular craft that you are an expert in. And even if you are not an expert at it, but you know some tricks that can help others as well to work faster, or make their work better, shoot it in a Reels format. Or like if you are a marketing coach, what you can do is share shorter clips in which you share some marketing tips through Instagram Reels. Now it has two advantages. First, it is going to let people know that you know what you are doing. They will get to know that yes, this person has some expertise, that is why he is giving out this information, and if they find it valuable, they are going to become your long-term customers. So sharing some tips and tricks can help you in growing your business, especially coaching businesses. This is for you. You need to share some tips and tricks through reels. It was not like a very good out and out tips and tricks video, but I shared some videos like that on my Instagram personal account, and I'll attach it here for you guys to see. This is how you can go about tips and tricks. I just shared my favorite apps, but you can also share a lot of other things, and I am planning on sharing a lot of other things as well. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me there, because yes, I'll be coming up with a lot of tips and tricks there as well. And the last idea that I have for you for the day is to make some funny or quirky videos for your Instagram reels. Now, I know this is not something that everyone can pull off, but if you are someone who has that funny thing to yourself, and you can make jokes on anything or any situation, or you can associate any song with a particular situation, go for it. Make some really fun videos, because they actually gain attention of your audience, as well as help you reach new audience, and they are definitely going to check out your account if they actually find it funny or interesting. And also it is going to help you in connecting with your audience on a much personal level, because in case of small businesses, the customers do not want to communicate with you as a big corporate house. They want to develop personal relationships. Customer relationships are important, and if they know that you have this funny side to yourself, it is going to make things easier for you. It is going to make you more relatable for your audience. And also, it is not important that in the funny videos you just make fun. Sometimes you can combine the tips and tricks videos along with the funny aspect to it. So yes, these two options can be combined together. And now I'll attach one video that I did, which I think was like on the trend kind of thing at that point of time. So enjoy that video.
Everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope these ideas will help you in starting out your Instagram Reels journey, because it is actually very helpful. And also, if you're not that much editing advanced and everything, and you feel that you cannot pull off those creative videos in where there are multiple cards and everything, don't start with that. Start with simple videos, just time-lapse videos as I discussed, and then as you learn through this process, start working on some more creative videos, and then just up your game day by day. And yes, this was pretty much it for today. And also make sure you're checking out this playlist here to know some more business tips. And yes, do let me know in the comment section below what more topics you would like me to cover in my future videos. I'll be happy to discuss about those topics. And yeah, this was pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.